Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrade.com. Let's do today's wrap up and what we see moving forward. Um, let's just go over here to the daily. Then we might pull up the 5 minute here in just a second. But hope you guys had a good weekend. Let's go ahead and start off here. It's Monday. It's about an hour and 15 minutes before the close, so we got a little bit of time left in the day. I wanted to make this video now so that way when you guys watch it tonight, you can see the way that the market went into the close, and that'll give us a good idea on what I see moving forward. So, had a wonderful pullback here on this nice little push-up, pullback, really nice bounce. Did I expect to have 2 weeks of straight bounce to the upside without some type of pause? No. But we shot straight up here, guys. So very, very low volume, strong move. So a little bit of volume comes in, and any selling at all, that's probably going to be amplified in magnitude to the downside. So pay close attention to these markets. Be very careful if we start to see anything break any major price levels like previous day's lows or anything like that. Maybe keep an eye on some of these markets because you could see a pretty good drop, especially if any volume comes in on that drop. So be very careful with that, especially if you guys are in long positions that may be swing positions or whatever they are. Just kind of a word of caution. With that being said, we're still in an uptrend. Now I'm going to pull a 5 minute up here and show you that we did have a little pullback today. We had a little intraday pullback here that is kind of over. We retested some lows and now we're chopping sideways. I want to go ahead and hit on this point because I think it could help us moving forward. If we get a rally, into the close, no change. I will still be bullish. If we get a sell-off into the close with the stock index futures, I will be watching out for where we close today. And then going into tomorrow, I will see if we can get below today's close. So the previous day's close. Whichever day, if we're able to get a sell-off and then tomorrow we are trading below today's low, I'm going to be looking for short opportunities, guys. This is prime real estate to look for short opportunities if you get one sell-off into close, right? We get a sell-off into the close. That's a good sign. And then two, below previous day's low. Okay? So if we're able to get a sell-off and we get down below the previous day's low, meaning today's low, if we're talking about tomorrow's trading, I'm going to look for short opportunities. But if nothing changes and we chop sideways, we're still bullish. If we get a rally into the close, we're going to come in tomorrow very bullish. Okay? Hope that makes sense, guys. And the same thing is going to apply to the NASDAQ. The same thing is going to apply to the Dow and obviously the Russell. See, the Russell here is a little bit different, but yet still the same. The Russell had a little bit deeper sell-off here, guys. A little bit deeper sell-off. So you see we're having a big old topping tail candle here. But if we can get that little pop here into the close, that's going to be a little momentum going into tomorrow. If not, and we continue to see this selling, that's going to give us really, really, really good strength if the market starts to sell off, and especially if volume comes into the market. If we happen to get a little bit more volume tomorrow, today was brutal, it was slow. But if we happen to get a little bit more volume come in tomorrow after a long weekend, kids going back to school, Tuesday, people are back in things ready to go, be watching out for some of these downside opportunities. I'm not saying it's going to happen now. I'm just wanting everybody to be prepared. So if we start to get some downside breaking that previous day's low, and the volume's picking up, we should see a really nice sell-off here in some of these markets. One last thing, just kind of heads up. Look at where we're trading on the S&P in respect to the 21 EMA. We're getting pretty far from it. So I'm not saying it can't push a little higher. We got a daily target up here of around 2030. So, which is also cool today because we hit that 2000 level. But anyways, we do have a daily target up there at 2030. but it can have a little setback before actually reaching that. But you see, every time that this daily, if I click on the daily, anytime it gets very far extended from that 21, which in this situation is that blue line, you'll see it revert back to that blue line. Pulled down, popped right back up. Pushed up, reverts back to that blue line. Pushed up, reverts right back. That's just what this market does. It will revert back to the mean, meaning it will come back to some type of norm, some type of midpoint, and we're getting a little bit extended at this point from that 21 EMA. Not to say it's going to happen tomorrow, but when it does, it reverts back very quickly. So just another thing to write in your notes and maybe use moving forward. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Start of a good week. Hopefully we get some good trading opportunities this week. Today was quiet in the live trading room. Just not a lot of opportunities. Wasn't able to do any trading here, so we're just very, very patient today. So let's see if that volume can pick back up and give us some good trading opportunities moving forward. The fall is coming, guys. This is whenever the good trading starts to happen here in the next week or so. So I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited. So I wish you guys luck. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me, Adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.